Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be outside. And yeah, you just heard a bird fly. I don't know if you did. But joining with me is
Krystal.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for 21. But yeah,
20.
So thank you guys so much for that. And we're going to be reviewing slimes and make
smoothie.
Yeah, so sorry if you could see my foot in the background. We're sitting on the ground.
It's cold.
But yeah. And we have this to like play on the slime. So yeah. Okay, first we're gonna do this one because it's like basically glue.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna do all the messy ones because I enjoy getting messy.
we should probably get paper towels.
I'm reviewing this slime, and you can see it's
Okay. See, as you can see, it's like
and this is why we
just
have activated.
it's just like thick glue.
Yeah, it's like glue and soap. Okay. So
Next, we're gonna add this one that does have a container, and since it's like it's like a butter slime, she's gonna use that to
play with it.
please
A little
clean
bit.
her hands.
And they're all gonna get.
Okay, so we already have this one all in there. Now we're gonna add the clay one.
It's like a butter slime almost.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna add that one in. And then we're both gonna be doing these. So here's a gold one. It's a gold pigment. It's like a putty. So there's that one.
This one is called glue and beads, because that's what it is. It used to be slime, but not anymore.
This one is like an old jiggly slime that I made, but it has turned into this weird puttiness. So, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know. This one is just.
This one is pretty good.
This one is the marble one that I made in 5 Fun Slimes, so go check that one out.
It is. It has one.
We're back and we have some slimes in here because
We
the
didn't
camera.
realize it cut out.
Yeah. So we're just gonna move on. This one is like a glittery kind of slime. Kind of turned into a putty kind of thing, but yeah. We're gonna stick that in there.
This one is like kind of good, but it doesn't even stretch. So
And then this one is like another gold kind of putty.
this one is like super jiggly. It's like kind of a little sticky. So I'm gonna try
This one is the slime from Instant Snow Slime, so go check that out.
This slime used to be so good, but now it's like so tight. Like I can't even stretch it.
This one is a kiwi jam slime I made. So yeah, we're gonna stick that in there. Okay, thank you.
And then this one is like super sticky.
And this one,
Ew.
I'm pretty sure this is one with Krystal that we did.
Look at that. It kind of looks pretty.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
This slime is so good. It's just it has these annoying little things in here, so they always fall out. But it's so good.
Okay. This one is just a random slime that I made at a boring swim meet. So this was out of my slime travel kit too.
This one is
A slime smoothie. Weed good. And then this one, just like a slime that Krystal made, an ombre slime, but then it just really weirdly got hard.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is
so
so
pretty.
good. It is so pretty. Look at the slime on the bottom.
I was doing a how much can slime hold with beads. This one is a soft serve slime with baby powder that I made.
Oh, look at this. It's so good. It's amazing. Look how pretty it is.
Okay. This one is my guacamole slime. And add that baby in.
Look how good this is. It all has like this glitter, and then on the bottom is glitter. Glitter amazing.
That was how much can slime hold with glitter.
It's so pretty, and it doesn't even like get all over. So we're just gonna put this on here.
Okay, ready? I think that's all of them.
Nope, there's one more.
Wait, oh yeah. Okay,
So-
this was another slime smoothie that we did.
So here it is. It's popping crap.
Don't mind me, I'm just throwing
It's
containers.
good though. It's like
I know, it's amazing. Okay, we're gonna add that in.
okay, so
That's
I
last
think
time.
it's gonna turn green because we have like 5 green slimes. Let's
Mix. Okay. We're just like always like amazed. It's probably gonna be like a pinkish green color because there's a lot of pink and a lot of green. There's like
I'm feeling we
there's
don't
like-
need any activator.
I know.
Let's even mix.
There's like so much hard slimes and so much not hard slimes, like sticky
Look at that glitter right there, just like a splotch.
brownie green, like a throw up green.
Oh, it's so thick.
I know.
I can't even get my hands out.
It's like okay, we're gonna keep that out. My hands are like we're outside and it's kind of cold, so my hands are like freezing. Cause I'm so cold.
Oh,
so
look
much
right here.
speed.
Look how pretty it is, like right here.
Screenshot, just
Screenshot it,
that.
like right that there. So
Yeah.
pretty. Put it as your like screensaver.
Like pause the video, screenshot that. Baby.
Then come back to the video. No, of course. Look, this is pretty too.
Yeah.
There's the only thing I think would make it better.
If you guys want some shout outs, even though you probably won't do any, if you want some shout outs, just comment down below. Hashtag Slime Squad with Krystal.
And my name is spelled with a K.
Yeah.
Not a C. And it's
Spelled with a K.
Yeah.
I'll put it on the screen how to spell it. This is so, I don't know.
I don't know. It's so I don't know.
It was good, but then now it's like
6.5 hours later.
just it's not stiff, but it's just hard to stretch, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for 20-something subscribers.
I hope you guys enjoyed this slime because it's ugly. I got it. Ah.
There's like the one sad thing is there's beads falling out.
I'm throwing
This is how much we ended up with.
and I got this much.
She's gonna leave here with like all of the slime.
Bye.
See ya. She just walks away. Bye. Okay. She left, but yeah, okay. But sadly, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for 21 subscribers. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button again. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Hashtag Slime Squad with Krystal, and I'll give you a shout out next video. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.